In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wells Fargo. If you want to install the Wells Fargo app on your phone, the process is very simple. Whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, I'll walk you through it clearly so you can download the correct app and get started without confusion. First, open the App Store on your device. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. This is where you'll safely download the app, so make sure you're using the official store that comes with your phone. Once the store is open, go to the search bar and type in Wells Fargo Mobile. Be careful to spell it correctly so the right app appears in the search results. This is important because there may be multiple apps or similar names, and you want to make sure you choose the official one. Next, look for the app called Wells Fargo Mobile. Before downloading it, check the developer name. It should say Wells Fargo Bank, NA. This helps confirm that you're installing the legitimate app and not an unofficial copy. Taking a few seconds to verify the developer is a smart step anytime you download a banking app. After you find the correct app, go ahead and start the download. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get, then confirm the download if your device asks you to. Depending on your settings, you may need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your device password to approve the installation. Then just wait a moment while the app downloads and installs on your phone. When the installation is finished, tap Open to launch the app. From there, you can sign in using your Wells Fargo account. If you're new and haven't used the mobile app before, you should also see an option to enroll and set up access. A few important things to keep in mind. Only install the official app from Wells Fargo Bank, NA. The app itself is free to download, but you do need an active Wells Fargo account to actually use its features. Also, if you can't find the app in the Google Play Store or App Store, make sure your device is updated because older software can sometimes prevent certain apps from appearing. And that's it. That's how to download Wells Fargo on both Android and iPhone.